Now y'all know your girl Dr. Nina don't shy away from any questions or concerns, and I will address any elephants in the room. And one of the bigger ones has been that some people have felt that maybe I had weight loss surgery or surgery to get rid of skin after losing over 100 pounds over 14 years ago. And you know what? I'm super flattered that you guys would think that my results were that good to even put it in that category. I wish, but nah. Your girl really worked hard, blood, sweat, and tears put into this body, not only when I was losing weight, but even after. And I feel like there are things that are practical that I want to share with you guys that I have over the years, but I will continue to make sure I share. Y'all, I can't believe it's been over 14 years that your girl has lost and kept off over 100 pounds. It's super surreal to me. Now, while I've had my share of ups and downs, I certainly feel like I've learned the tricks of the trade, also avoiding a lot of loose skin after I lost that amount of weight. And there's a lot of skincare tips and things that I feel like are TMI that a lot of people avoid talking about. But that's where your girl come in. Major weight gain and major weight loss, it comes with consequences, and that's something we have to accept. Let me also say that I ain't surgery shaming. I had a breast reduction when I was very young, so I'm no stranger to going under the knife. I just knew that this journey of weight loss was for me and for me only to do. Do it how you got to do it. This journey is for you no matter what you choose to do, especially when it's done with careful thought and for all the right reasons. And let's also be honest about this. When a bib was in school, I ain't had that kind of money. Our skin is comprised of the proteins elastin and collagen. The fibers of these proteins give your skin more strength and elasticity. And this is what helps your skin stretch during weight gain without tearing. And over time, with more weight gain, these fibers just continue to get damaged and more stretched. So even if you lose weight, it makes it harder for that skin to come back to its original shape and form. Loose skin forms from losing 50 pounds or more. Genetics and age play a part, but you should take this seriously, but also be quite kind to yourself and to your body. Now, I ain't a miracle worker, but I was determined to treat myself better and get the results that I wanted. And if I can do it, if you have the right mindset and dedication level, you can do it too. The process is just learning how to treat your body better and to love it even more. Let me know down below if there's anything you're doing that's special for your body while you're losing weight or while you're maintaining your weight to keep your skin in tip-top shape. Also, let me know any videos you would like to see in the future. All items I talk about today can be found down below in the information section. And y'all, don't forget to thumbs up this video if you like it, comment, share, and subscribe. And also click on those notification bells so you can know when I upload on Thursdays and Sundays. Make sure you also check out my Now That's Life podcast, which is now live, and you can check it out on all your major podcasting platforms. Links to my podcast can be found down below in the information section. The first thing is avoiding the very thing we say we're gonna do as soon as we say we're gonna lose weight. You want to avoid losing the weight too fast. During my weight loss, I had to remind myself that I am not speed lightning, and in no way, shape, or form was I trying to run down the racetrack. The body needs time to contract back as well as cell reformation. We spend a lot of time gaining weight. We can't expect to lose it faster. Oftentimes, it takes even longer to lose the weight. Your body essentially needs time to heal from all the shock, from all the changes. I've kept this weight off for so long because I went through so much to get to where I wanted to go. And honestly, I don't want to sign up to do all this shit again. Click like if you can relate. Also, I had failed so many times at losing the weight, and this time I wanted to spiritually, mentally, and emotionally combat the weight in the way that was right for me. I also wanted my body to adapt to all those changes in the best manner possible. The elasticity in our skin is usually based on genetics, your body size, and how long you've been at your current weight. And that's why the skin might appear more loose for those who opt for weight loss surgeries or other quicker means of losing weight, because the body didn't have time to retract along with the change in the body. Before I started losing weight, I did consult with my doctor, and what was best for my body was 2 to 4 pounds per week. I had to learn that that would be enough because this wasn't a race, it was a lifestyle change. Also, 2 to 4 pounds a week sounded more doable as opposed to thinking about the 100 pounds that I wanted to lose super quick. The next thing to remember is that everything you put in your mouth counts. We can't avoid it. You gotta watch what you eat, keep a balanced diet, and make sure that it supports your skin elasticity. Foods with protein, elastin, collagen, and antioxidants should be at the top of your list. And although age plays a part, because everybody likes to talk about how young you are or how old you are when you lose weight, your diet also has a big say so. Anybody losing weight and trying to keep that skin from stretching should have a nutrient-rich diet. I chose to do more moderate to low fat and sugar. And y'all know I'm all about getting great protein and pure sources of protein that are great at helping to build muscle as well. I plan to do a review of some of the proteins that have been my favorite over the years, but you guys have seen a lot of them in my videos, and some of my favorites include the Dimetized protein powder, Vega plant-based protein powder, and one that I'm really crushing on right now is the Yay Organics plant-based protein. Aside from proteins, it has amino acids, probiotics, and iron. These help to feed your muscles and to give you cellular support, which in turn helps you to regenerate that cell growth that helps with your skin. If you're interested in it, I have it linked down below in the description box. Also a vital vitamin is vitamin C, and you can find that in red and green peppers, spinach, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, strawberries, oranges, and kiwi. Vitamin C is needed for the production of collagen, and it improves the way your skin looks. Y'all have also seen me directly add it to my skin. Also, linoleic acid is important, a fat found in nuts, seeds, vegetable oils, and even chicken. Helps to aid in the strength and the structure of your skin. If you find that you're having trouble getting in all your nutrients, y'all know I always am in big support of smoothies. I've shown y'all a gang of them, and I have my smoothie videos linked down below. But also let me suggest the Yay Organics blender bottle. Y'all know I love that bottle because it also charges your phone. But not only that, the Yay Organics juices that are so easy to whip up give you a lot of vital nutrients and a lot of things that you need to support the strength of your skin. And because I love the Yay Organics blender bottle, I'm gonna give one away again. So check the information section and get all the details on how to win. Also, during weight loss, you must treat your skin well. I hear a lot of people talking about how they're gonna take better care of themselves after they lose weight. That makes no sense. And in fact, I used to think like that. Treasure and pamper the body that you have right now. Take pride in it. Y'all have seen me in so many videos exfoliating, dry brushing, and wet brushing. I've used different kinds of brushes and loofahs that help with skin rejuvenation and reformation. Your skin absolutely needs that blood circulation. As you're losing weight, your body is forming a memory. It's learning how to adjust to the new body that's underneath the skin. So the more that you're really rubbing, massaging, and taking care of it, it has better memory of your body structure and form. This is all going to take time for your own body to get used to your new body. So make sure that you're using the best in products to shower with as well. And I don't care how much you claim to hate your body right now, you better treat it the best that you can because it's going to give you what you give it. And if that's crap, then crap you will get back. I also took time to really engage in getting massages or massaging my own body constantly so that I can learn my new body and so my body can start to get used to the new structure as well. I really do believe that this helped me pull back in a good way, and it also helped me to get down to my healthy side. I make sure that I moisturize the outer body as well. Collagen creams are actually excellent for putting elasticity back into the skin and also making sure that you add to the smoothing and the stretching of the skin. But one of my personal favorites is getting lotions with alpha hydroxys in them. This hydrates the skin and helps it to glow. It also helps to plump it out. My faves are Eucerin and Dr. Teal's lotion. To seal in your moisture, make sure you're using a great essential oil mix. Y'all know I have a million videos on making essential oil mixes, but you want to make sure specifically for any loose skin, you want to add something like castor oil to the mix. This is going to help to feed the skin and could add to the stretch of it. And I also love a great homemade butter. I have a lot of those linked down below for you guys as well. I love those butters because putting those on, especially when the winds are harsh or when it's cooler outside, it helps to seal that moisture in. It also helps to deeply penetrate the skin, giving it more moisture and also plumping it out and helping with that elasticity. And watch what you're showering with and putting on your body in terms of soap. You don't want any sulfates or any harsh chemicals because it's going to dry your skin out, which is not going to add to the elasticity of the skin. People often tell me they don't even have time for minimal exercise. If you don't have time for it, then you have time for every jig, jag, and sag. Cardio is one of the first things I learned how to do effectively because it helps you to burn fat. Some people will advise you to only do cardio so you can burn fat. I also team this up, even at my heaviest, with weightlifting and resistance training. When you use resistance training, you're tightening and toning key areas of the body, and also you're filling it with lean muscle. So then those areas that become more loose from the loss in fat are filling with something even more healthy, that lean muscle. My rule is on top of my cardio, 2 to 3 days a week of resistance training for about 20 to 30 minutes. I did that throughout my weight loss and I still do it right now. This could totally help to shape your body, help your body retract better, and also give you a better shape and form. Let's be extra realistic. Age, body type, and genetics have a lot to do with what we end up with when we lose weight. Everybody's journey is gonna be different. And it just so happens that because I'm adopted, I didn't know my genetic makeup, but I did know and I did notice that my body was a little bit more muscular. But for these very reasons, that's why you can take a lot of different people, put them on the same diet, the same exercise routine, and they all get different results. And in the end, they all encounter different ups and downs that might include extra loose skin and some may not at all. That's why we can't judge other people's weight loss journeys based on our own. Some younger people might experience more success because they have quicker cell renewal, but some older people might have what's seen as better results because they have different genetics. But whatever it is, be very realistic about the results you might get for these very reasons. The next thing is that overall, you need to hydrate and you need to watch the type of hydration that you're getting. Hydration plumps out the skin, point blank and period. If you're drinking more water, you're gonna hydrate and plump out the skin, which is also gonna help with anti-aging effects. The amount of water that you need depends on your current health needs, exercise routine, diet, and then the climate in which you live. But your doctor can also help you decide this as well. But this is why I get tested yearly for everything, so that I know the general levels of my vitamins, any deficiencies, so that your doctor can also help you know the type of hydration that you need to get. Whenever we allow ourselves to get thirsty in life, we end up wrinkled and dry. Moisturizing from the inside out helps you get better results. I drink anywhere from 96 ounces to a gallon of water a day. I've done this throughout my weight loss all the way through today. Not only is the water good for your skin, but it's good for overall weight loss. Water before my meals keeps me super full, so I eat less. And most of the time when I think I'm hungry, I'm actually thirsty. A lot of hydration, particularly water, actually limits fluid retention. So when you weigh your body, you get a more accurate reading. I also love a good multivitamin. During my weight loss journey and even after, I had to learn so much about vitamins, nutrients, and the ways to really get the best out of your skin. Vitamin C, E, A, and K, selenium, and copper, and also B complex are the best out there. There are some studies that have shown that these really add directly to the skin's elasticity. And y'all know during my weight loss, I mainly used prenatal vitamins because they had a great rich source of all of these. Over the years, I've tried several different things that have worked really well, but here lately, I've really been focused on prebiotics. Not only do they work wonders for the skin, its glow, and just its look overall, but it can also help with skin that's prematurely aging, hopefully adding to the skin's elasticity as well. Make sure you're being kind to yourself, y'all. This is a hard enough journey with losing weight and also gaining weight. Sometimes we tend to beat ourselves up, but life happens. You know, some people have a baby, they have a traumatic event that happens to them. It's all a little bit hard on us already. You don't need to go making it harder on yourself. Your journey won't be like anyone else's, not even mine. So if during it or at the end of it, you decide to get weight loss surgery or skin removal surgery, that's what it's there for. These surgeries really do help to shape and form the body by removing that excess skin so you can see all the work that you're putting in. And y'all best believe if the Lord allows me to have a child later on in life and I have a problem with loose skin and I don't like it, I will be there myself. So just be proud that you've gotten to this point, that you're learning different things about yourself along the way. And even if you did have weight loss surgery and you're losing weight rapidly, you can still be taking care of yourself. Don't give up on it. Keep going. You done got this far and I congratulate you. So I want to thank y'all for watching today. If you're struggling with loose skin, let me know down below. Let me know some of the things that you're struggling with. Make sure that you comment, share this video with someone who can use it, and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Beautiful brown baby doll. Peace. Special thanks to Jason Bowie of Trinity Media Solutions for co-producing and filming today's video. His information can be found down below in the information section. Thanks so much for all the love and support over on my new website. If you haven't already, go ahead and check it out and join me for new ways to interact with me, giveaways and prizes, weekly emails, as well as my free 8-day supernatural video course, which is free when you sign up.